What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. This week I picked up a couple things as far as products are concerned. I know last video I said I'm done with product, but hey, when you find those deals, you find those deals, so you got to pick it up. Yes, sir. Because they don't come around too often. Now, yesterday on my way, first off, shout out to me, my birthday was yesterday. And I had to get a physical for work, but it just happened to be on my birthday, which I like to do every year because you just don't know what's going on. Nope. Anyway, on my way to my physical, my neighbor had some trash out, and I seen this chair. So I ran past my neighbor's house. I see a lawn chair. Let me see. Maybe she won't. Let me show you guys. I had to pick it up. You know, I know Commonwealth Picker's real good with chairs. I know the Nurse Flipper then sold a couple chairs, and this one was just standing out. It was sitting there waiting for me, and I had to pick it up. Now, am I considered a trash picker now? Bruh. That was an intense trash pick, wasn't it? After my physical, there was a Goodwill right next to it, and I've never been to that Goodwill, so I decided to jump in there. So far, I got a couple shirts. Got this vintage U of L shirt. Put them down. Vintage U of L shirt, vintage Indiana Hughes shirt, and then this is not vintage. It's 2008 Run DMC, but it's pretty cool, so I'm gonna get it. I'm looking at this West Virginia shirt too. It's single stitch, Snoopy on it. Somebody will get that. All shirts is $1.99. And I got this keyboard. Couldn't spend a lot of time. I had to go to work. I had to get back home. And found a couple shirts like you seen and a keyboard, which I will show you later. Now, let's fast forward to today. All right, I'm actually in my office packing a couple of things. I actually sold a Nintendo, joysticks and all that. Shout out to me for selling that. Yes, sir. And I got to pick up something from my local auction. What's going on with you?
How you doing? Good, David?
Yeah, it's me under here. I'm this man.
Get more clothes on and more clothes on. Can't see who anybody
I know, covering up now. They ain't just cold, and we got to wear the mask at the same time.
$50 for those things I did want you to get a chance to break them. Thank you, man.
How's it going, man?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
I'm doing all right. Same old.
Got anything good? You just buying stuff.
Yeah, just buying stuff. You know how it goes.
Oh. And you got those two things right there.
All right, got them all laid out, don't you?
Yeah, try to keep everything.
All right. Get back home, show you everything I got. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you this. I went to another auction as well.
Sorry, enjoy.
Oh, Weaver, David.
Okay.
Y'all seen me there. Had to go pick up some stuff there. But like I said, I'm gonna show you all that stuff. Show you the stuff I'm gonna get today. Here in a few. What I'm gonna do now is my old lawn chair, my old first trash pick. Yes, sir. I want to let it out and see if it actually works. I actually got it from down the street, 2 doors down that way. And yeah, let's see if it works. Or let's see if it operates. Or let's see if it's usable. This right here I actually got. This is just what I picked up. Got this from a local auction, and it's a Sony DAVIS10. Brand new in the box. The only defect with the box is somebody's dog took a bite out of crime right there. I can tell. But other than that, it's open box. Of course, I want to open to make see. All new. Everything's still in the pack. Look at that. And believe it or not, man, I got this for $60, and these go for about $450. The last one I seen went for $450. I might try to do something local because this is heavy, or I might not try to deal with that at all. I might just throw it on eBay. It's already in a box. fix that over there, ship it in a box, and be done with it. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, I'm trying to do this video. You understand? Shut your mouth. How about that? You too. Even though you're the big brother, you got them wilding out. What's his game called?
Moss.
Oh, you trying to moss over
I
him?
got good defense. Yeah. Like Randy Moss.
Yeah, you go up with 2 hands.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You going up with 1.
Okay, so far I don't see no mouse.
Devin's blocking you up.
Second thing I picked up at the one I just showed you where I picked up the Sony are these cars right here. It's a bunch of, excuse my boys, they loud over there. A bunch of different type of cars. Pixel, I didn't know these did so good. These are Dice car, but from the movie cartoon Cars. And this right here, which one? We'll pay for the whole lot. I paid, I think, what I paid, $35 for everything. And you know, I'm probably gonna auction it all off. That's what I'm gonna do. I didn't know, I mean, tell you the truth, my whole reason of actually picking this stuff up is this right here. Because I wasn't gonna pick up nothing from this lot. I'm just going to get this Troy Aikman signed picture. It's the only thing I wanted. It got the guarantee of authenticity. Guarantee of authenticity. How you say that?
Bruh.
Authenticity. Oh my god. Authenticity. There you go.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
cold. Guarantee of authenticity. God, I couldn't say that for some reason. So yeah, I was gonna go on my cowboy shrine.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Over here next to Dion. And I got a bunch of other posters, but right now Dion's just out right now. So yeah. And I seen this, so I just grabbed this up along with that Sony you seen up there. So that was just an impulse buy. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. And some other pickups I got is from another local auction, the one I always go to that I showed you a little earlier. I got these hub caps. Now these are for 60 models GMC at least. I went out there. And these surprised me, man. I've seen them go, I think I got some comps, I don't know. There's some listed, not a lot sold. I see people selling them by themselves. Some are selling them in 3s, but I got 4. So I'm thinking being that I got 4, I'll do a lot better. But I've seen some sold within like $250, $300 for these. So these right here might be a nice buy. Took a chance. We're gonna see. Cleaned them up a little bit because they was kind of dusty. So they look good though for being 60 models. Also got this from over there at that place. Hey, y'all just gonna keep making a bunch of noise? Y'all ain't gonna,
Bruh.
really?
Yeah.
I got these knives. These are, let me see if I can show you. These are Henkels.
Oh, come on, man.
What are y'all doing? These some German, what they call Henkels. Is that what they call? Nice knives. I'm knowing about these. These are older models though. I actually got the block with a set of 8 and got the scissors as well. And I paid a little bit nothing for these. These can go good. The older ones, they do okay. The new ones do very well. So we'll see. I gotta do some more research. I haven't done any research on this one. I haven't found this exact type, so I'm gonna play with that a little bit more. Also got this Gordon's jar. Don't have the top. If I had a top, that'd be a score, but these do pretty good. Paid $5 for this, and I should be able to get some money for that. Of course, some money, but how much? Who knows? This actually was inside of that. It's an actual vintage. Oh, I guess this is the mirror, and if you want to put on your, what's that? What's that on your face? Shaving cream? I don't know. But it's the only thing I can find is this marking. There's no marking on this right here, so do some more research on that. And I got these old rings. They 14-inch, I believe. I don't know exactly what they came off of. But there was a bunch of reproduction on eBay. These are the real deal, so should be able to do pretty good on that. I got 4 of those. Also got some stuff from the Goodwill. I told you y'all went over to the Goodwill when I went to go get my physical. Y'all seen what I got, but I'm gonna show you a little bit up close. Vintage Louisville shirt. It's a single stitch. I don't know. If anything, I keep this for myself. Wear me some vintage. We'll see what happens with that. This right here is a single stitch as well. West Virginia with Snoopy. I think somebody buy that, either a Snoopy fan or a West Virginia fan. That'd be pretty good. Indiana Hoosier shirt.
You're throwing it in now.
Single stitch as well. And a Run DMC shirt. Now this right here is not an older model, it's 2005. I got this, I see some cops, I believe they were going for like $25. Oh, I meant to tell y'all though, all these shirts is $1.99. All t-shirts, $1.99. But I seen a $25 comp on DMC, pretty nice shirt. I actually might keep this for myself as well. All these are my size. And a keyboard. Gateway, stack style keyboard. Nice one, clean. It was $1.99 as well. And I seen some $25, $30 comps on this one as well. So overall, pretty good. I didn't have a lot of time in the Goodwill because I had some stuff I had to do. So usually, if I'm looking through shirts, I'm just looking real fast. Nice little haul. Should do pretty good on this stuff. Like I said, that radio in my car, I should do real good on that. These hubcaps should do good. A lot of stuff I should do fairly well in those cars. So I keep you guys up to date. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.